Hey everyone, it's Jeremiah from the Language Company here in South Bend, and we have a quick video for you today about participial adjectives. Okay. Now, just to let everyone know, we are here teaching English to our students. We are in person, so if you are looking for an English school and you want to improve your English, please check out our website on the screen, and we would love to talk to you. Now, let's talk about participial adjectives. Now, with participial adjectives, you are taking the participle of a verb, like the past participle or the present participle, and you're using it like an adjective. Now, they are different with the ed and the ing, and we want to talk a little bit about why they're different and how to use them in the correct way. Okay, first of all, when you have the past participle, I want you to think about the sentence as a passive sentence. Okay? So, like for example, if I have the passive sentence, I was eaten by a shark. Okay? I am not eating the shark. The shark is eating me. Okay? So, I am the recipient of the action. In the same way, when you have a sentence like this, I am excited to learn. I am not doing the action. I am the recipient. I am getting the action. Okay, so I am excited to learn. Excited would be when you have the ed here, that means I feel this. These emotions are coming to me. I am excited. I am interested. I am shocked. Okay, but when you have the ing, your sentence is active, which means the subject is doing the action or giving the action. Okay, so English is exciting, meaning English is making you feel this way. It is exciting. It is giving you these feelings. Okay, let me give you an example. Now, in that situation, is the student, if I say the student is bored or the student is boring, what's the right answer? Okay. You look at the student, you know the student is getting the feelings. They're not giving those feelings, they are getting those feelings. So the student is bored because they have those feelings. The student is bored. Hopefully not of this class. Now, here's another example. Okay, class, turn to page 477. We will go through the passive tense. The passive tense is where you take a sentence and you... In this case, is the teacher bored or the teacher boring? You think about how the teacher is speaking, how they are saying their words, and you think, the teacher is making all the students bored. The teacher is giving those feelings. So, the teacher is boring. Okay, class. The class is boring. Now, at TLC South Bend, our classes are not boring, I promise. But in this situation, you would say the teacher is boring, the student is bored. If you'd like to learn more English, please email us and talk to us about how you can join our program.